Hi YouTubers, it's me, Path on the Autistic Person, where I'm in the basement today because my layout is in the basement, and all we have is like a bunch of papers in the basement, but this is my layout, I'm still gonna work on it. I gotta still work on getting the legs and my Santa Fe FT diesel right there. The Union 76 tanker car. I don't know if it says Delaware Huston or Delaware Houston. I know it says Delaware Huston, but here's this car. Here's the gun left off with Colt. It says railgun. And here's Wabash. Is it Wabash or Wabash? I don't know. If you know how to pronounce it, if you know how to pronounce it, leave a comment. And we have this Santa Fe caboose, and what we know about this caboose is it goes with this train set. So, anyways, the Santa Fe. If I lower them the light more, here's the Santa Fe FT diesel exhaust fans. The horn is up there. Yeah, I like. And yeah, I also broke. This broke when I'm trying to take it off to clean the wheels, to lubricate it as well. But I do not have any special hobby oil. I do not have light gear oil, and I do not have gear grease. But I could probably try and get those two, and heavy gear oil. And so let's have it to run. It runs pretty smooth. It runs pretty smooth so far. So it runs pretty smooth. So all I could do now is pull a 5-car train, but these cars were got from garage sales. We got these cars from garage sales, but doesn't work with my train at all because they have the horn hook couplers. These are horn hook couplers, but I tried putting knuckle couplers on them, but the cars keep uncoupling on its own, so that's why I'm not gonna use them at all. And if you want to see the light, for a brighter light, you have to yeah. So yeah, this is like hobby grade. So this is one of the hobbies that I enjoy. I know HO scale trains is one of my favorite hobbies, and I grew up as a kid playing with the trains, So until I got my own HO scale train that I could work on. So also got a nitro powered RC car, and I would like to show you guys my nitro powered RC car if I could stop this train. So like bring it closer, and I'll show you. This is my own table, and I still have this RC car to work on. I don't know what it needs. I don't know, but I don't know what's wrong with it. But someone said it's not gonna run, and there's something missing for this something's missing for this receiver. I'll just get a new one, and I don't know what's this box for. If it's this the battery box, I don't know. I don't know if this is the battery box. Just leave in the comments below. And I know, and probably clean out the gas tank. Clean it out. Figure out how to get a new engine, because I want a better nitro engine. I want a better nitro engine for this RC car, and I also want to make it to go reverse as forward. So, and right now it's all I just have to do is sit, and there's the plug right for that. So has awesome servos. I don't know how good the servos are, but and have art supplies as well. Wrench right here. Actually, this is a screwdriver. This table is kind of in a mess right now because I'm working on a bunch of things. On one table, and I don't know if I could. I don't know if I could get a new engine for that RC car, for the RC car, and I want to give it a body. I don't know if this one goes to a buggy or a short course truck. I was been thinking it was a short course truck or a buggy. Just let me know as well. So, got the screwdriver from another RC car. And so I'll show you. I already showed you my nitro powered RC car that I'm gonna rebuild and restore. And I go restore it, give it a new body, give it some nice custom wheels. Oh yeah, I still have Hot Wheels track over there, and my favorite scale size train is HO scale, because HO scale you could almost fit it anywhere. So yeah. So I have this revealer. That's very useful as well. This revealer is very useful as well. If you could tell, I used it very well. To put the cars back on the tracks. And look at my Santa Fe FT diesel go. So, oh yes, just let you know, I still do Beyblade. So, but I'm getting tired of making Beyblade videos, and I'm getting tired of making Beyblade videos and post about Beyblades, and this is why I switched to different hobbies instead. So I have more than, just let you know, Beyblades. I know, just so you know, just let you know, the game of Beyblade is one of the hobbies that I enjoy, and and this is the hobby I enjoy as well. I think in toy grade cars, I think the RC cars that are toy grade are like always all or nothing. I have a new bright toy grade 1/24 scale monster truck. And, and I want to complete this. I don't know. I don't know how much I want. I don't know how far I need to go to complete this layout, but I'm trying to make a figure eight loop around. Actually, loop around figure eight. I'm thinking just. I'm thinking a figure eight, not a simple figure eight, but I like to do some under and over, and I like to do it under and over, but for the X. So and I want to do mountains. I want to do the valley and the mountain. I don't know if I could do valleys of the mountainside, but it's really cool if I build the layout the way I wanted it. So, but for but for order me, but order for me to get paid from YouTube, I have to have like at least. For me to get paid from YouTube, I have to meet the requirements of 4,000 watch hours, 4,000 public watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if I will ever make it to those 2 points, but I wish I wish I wish companies send me. I wish companies could send me products like more HO scale stuff, more Beyblades, and all that, more parts of RC cars, and I could hear I could hear someone vomiting upstairs. I don't know if they were overworked. I don't know if they overworked themselves, but and so and I also know my dad cannot afford to retire, but he wants to continue working and make all the money, make all the much money as he can by going to work. And I do not have a job at all. So I do not have a job at all, but making YouTube videos and do chores at home will do best. Because anyways, I'm running my train though, so and I really do not have a job, but I need to get one. So anyways, And so we have the Santa Fe FT diesel running down tracks. Oh yeah, I was up like, oh yeah, this morning I was up at like 3:30ish in the morning today, and my dad told me to go back to sleep, and and I couldn't sleep at all, so I watched YouTube instead. Keep myself quiet because I need some enjoyment while I'm up. So so anyways, I still have these two tractors, and there's the easy knuckle coupler right here. So, and I don't know what should I do with these, because I put them on the same knuckle couplers as these cars have and my locomotive, but don't know what to do to them because they keep uncoupling on their own. So, and I do not like the horn hook couplers. So I like the couplers that you could actually uncouple by using a magnet. Using the magnet underneath the track to uncouple the cars would be very useful instead of the horn hook couplers, because I don't know how you should uncouple the horn hook couplers, but all they need is a turn track. All they need is a track that turns. So what I'm talking about is so I still miss my puppy boy. My puppy boy loves this ball, so too bad he's not here anymore. I will be enjoying making more dog videos with my puppy boy. But sadly I missed him. I don't know why he has to leave so soon, but I know everybody in my family misses my puppy boy Patrick. And while my puppy boy actually died while I was at the psych hospital, and I heard about my puppy boy died. I remember I was at the psych hospital. I got and one of my phone calls about my puppy boy has died, and that was sad. I also cried a lot out about my puppy boy and wanting him back, but I have to get through it. So I have to get through it. He was a good, goofy boy. He is good, goofy, and hilarious. And so I don't know how should I do with Bachman wiring, but if I want to switch to a different unit with DCC control, I want to switch to another different analog unit, but a DCC unit alongside with it. So anyways, so I'm running my train today. The reason why I was running my train today because I'm getting tired of making the Beyblade videos all the time. So, anyways. And I wanted to do an RC car video, but I know my dad's gonna cook, so. And. So. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, and thanks for watching. Bye!